Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can do aggressive shakes on a CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to apply aggressive shakes effect to this video. So first of all guys, we can go to the effect option. In this effect, we have to select a video effect. Then we need to go to the night clip category and we have to search for the shake effect, this one. Click on this shake effect and you can adjust the effect to make it super aggressive. You can go right like this to make it more aggressive. Okay, now it's done and this is the result, and you can make the effect align with your video by dragging the effect like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can do aggressive shakes effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.